Right then, everyone, so it is results time this weekend. As we know, unfortunately, three wonderful talents got to leave us tonight. It is the aim of the game. This is what it's about. It's a talent competition, and we have got to start cutting it down. But nevertheless, I'm sure I can speak on behalf of Louise and Kelly to say that you've all done well so far in this process. We've seen so many people grow and develop. And like I said, nothing's stopping you coming back and working again and coming into the process. And nothing's stopping you staying in contact with anything you need, musically or whatever it is. All right, guys? But what I'm going to do now, the same as previous weeks, I'm going to come to Louise first and ask her who is going to be leaving her category this week, which is going to be tough because it's a very strong category. Who's going to be leaving and the reasons why. So Louise, can I come to you? The person that you've picked to leave you this week and why.
So the decision this week hasn't been an easy one. There were one or two people that were on the lower end of the scale this week. So I've had to look not just at today's performance, but at their body of work previous in the competition. And I feel like this person has progressed so much in this competition. But looking at the other talents in my category, unfortunately, I just think that they can continue to progress outside of the competition and come back next season bigger and better. So the person leaving my category tonight is Rosie. I stole you, Rosie, 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I'm so glad I did, because I knew you had more to give in this competition. You really have proven yourself. You have progressed so much, and I really hope that we continue to work together outside of the competition, because there's so much more within you that I can't wait to bring out of you, and I really do hope you decide to come back next season and show us how much better you've got and where you've taken your voice to another level. So a massive well done for what you have achieved in this competition, and like I say, I hope to keep working with you outside of Talent Search Company. Well done.
Same to you, Kelly. I'm going to come to you. The reason and the person that's going to be leaving your category this week. So please tell us.
Okay, so this was a really, really difficult decision for me. I was torn between two people, if I'm being honest. But when I looked at both of those people, I had to go with the person that I thought could bring more vocally in terms of growth to the competition, and also to the themed weeks. So the person that I've decided, unfortunately, that will be leaving the competition this week is Keely. But I want to say thank you so much, because you've been such a versatile contestant. You've brought something different every week. You've shocked us. Your version of Concrete Angel was amazing. Your original song. I'd like you to sort of like take away from this competition everything that you've learned, and just keep moulding yourself in terms of the artist that you want to be, because you've definitely got stacks and stacks of potential, as long as you stay sort of dedicated to it and keep working hard, and your journey is just gonna, it's gonna be incredible to watch you bloom even more. I'm still there. If you ever need anything, I'm at the end of a message. I hope to see you in the future, and I wish you so much luck for whatever it is you decide to do next. Thank you for being in my team.
Yes, so in my category, I gotta be honest, like, there's still a few weaknesses in places, guys. There is, some people need to calm down, some people need to rise up, and lots of different things. So yeah, a few names have been mentioned in my mind of like, right, who's right for this part next. But I have to go mainly on the most important thing in any of these performances, more than the performance or anything else, is pitch. And that is the most important thing. And if I'm seeing somebody that's pitchy, especially on something that I expected him not to be, is at the bottom of the pile. Now, in all fairness, I've seen some really, really standout performances in my category this week. And this made it much easier for me to make this decision. So the person that's leaving my category this week, but I just want to thank them in advance for everything they've done this season. They know where we are in future. They'll always be part of this network, and we are there to help in future if they want any help. But the person leaving this week at this theme, and for me is definitely the right decision, is Charlotte. That is my decision. So guys, that concludes the results. The people leaving us this week are Rosie from Louisa's category, Keely from Kelly's category, and Charlotte from my category. So girls, well done to you all. Like I said, this is a competition. It's all about challenging yourself. It's all about pushing yourself. But it has come to that point where we want to thank you for being part of it. We do hope you've enjoyed yourself being part of this season. And again, any of you are welcome back if you want to re-enter again. It's been wonderful to watch you all blossom to where you've blossomed. But well done to you all.